Hello and welcome to Easy Learning, Smart Learning. Myself Atar Hashmi, and I'm going to teach you today how you can start with the Java programming. So, first of all, you need a software where you will build an application, or you can say the first application for Java. So, before you do it, you should download the Java Development Kit, also known as JDK. So, Google it by typing JDK on the Google, and then go to the website, which is you can see here www.oracle.com Java Technologies Java SE download. So once you will click here, it will guide you which version is suitable for you. So you can download just by clicking here JDK download, and here is the documentation. So just click on the JDK download. After few seconds it will be downloaded on your computer system. But here we have some more options, like it is mentioning here that this is Java second edition development kit 15 version 15.0.1. This one is actually the revision of version 15. So now you have to choose your operating system. So if you don't know which operating system and which version you are using, just go to my PC or my computer, and then go to the properties of your computer system. Then check here which system type are you using, and which operating system you have. So I have Windows 7 Ultimate with 64-bit operating system. So once you have sure about this, go back to your selection and then choose Windows 64-bit installer. So it is almost 160 MB. So click from here, and then you have to check it here that I reviewed and accept the Oracle Technologies Network License Agreement for Oracle Java 2nd edition. Then click on the download button. Once the download is started, press the key button to keep this file on your computer system, and it will be downloaded within few minutes. As it is mentioning here, it will take about 6 minutes. So download it, and I will guide you how you can install it on your computer system. In the meantime, I will tell you, if you are a professional and if you are beginning with Java, then you can go for other Java compilers, like just press it, just type it here Java compiler, and then look for the options. I explained it earlier in the previous lecture that we have several compiling options with Java, like BlueJ and Ellipsis. Then thereafter comes NetBeans. So you can type it here. Then you can compare this, and here you have several articles where you can choose which is suitable for you. So here it is mentioned in the first line, BlueJ is a free development environment designed for beginners at King's College London. It is supported by Oracle. BlueJ has deliberately smaller and simpler interface than professional environments like NetBeans and Ellipsis. So if you are not a professional, if you are a beginner, then it is much better that you should go for BlueJ. But I recommend you to download the JDK version from Oracle and directly start by commands, because with the use of commands you will learn how to compile, how to run, how to install, how to set up each and everything step by step, because it is mandatory to learn this Java programming in the step by step manner. So wait for the download, then I will explain you how to install it on your computer system. File is downloaded. Now I am clicking directly on this icon of the downloaded file to open the installation screen. So it is giving you security warning. Don't worry about this, just press the run button. Once you will press the run button, the installation process will begin. Now you have to press the first next button, and here it is mentioning that this wizard will guide you through the installation process for the Java 2nd edition development kit 15.0.1. Remember that you have to choose the correct path, because this path we have to set it later also with the Windows operating system, or if you are using Linux operating system, you have to do it there also. So press the next button and check this path. It is C program files java slash jdk 15.0.1. Now it is installing the Java development kit for you on your computer system, and once it is installed on your computer system, we will be able to use it properly. So wait for it. It will be installed within a few moments. This message will appear that Java 2nd edition development kit successfully installed on your computer system. Close this properly, and now we will check whether it is installed or not. So how you can check it? Just go to Windows button and search it, the run command here. If it is not available here, just press the Windows button with R to get this particular window. Now just type here cmd. We are getting into the command prompt, and here you will see the user slash your name. So here my name is mentioned here. I'm just typing here Java and then slash hyphen version. So the screen is gone. Now Java space actually previously I have installed 13.0.1 also. That is why it is showing me the older version of Java. So this is not the problem, this is not the case actually. You can use both the version simultaneously. So I have installed previously. It is actually 2 years old software, or maybe previous year they have released this version. So in the same manner you have to check this. If you are getting this message, then Java is installed, and you can run Java programs by just typing Java followed by space, and then you have to type your program name like a demo, and then you can run like this. But if the file is not available on your C drive, actually it is D drive, then it will not run, and it will give you the message that couldn't find the class or main class for your file. But if it is located on the bin folder of this D directory, it will be run properly. So what you will do to get this message in your computer system, I am going to tell you that. To run the Java from the command prompt, you have to go to control panel and then click on the system button. Here you will find advanced system settings. Then here you will find in the advanced tab, under the advanced tab, environment variables. Click on this button and then go to new, because you have to add this path to your system. Now just click on the new button. It will ask you for the variable name. Here you have to type complete path of your Java. How you can get it? Just go to desktop explorer and go to C drive. Then where you have installed Java, locate it, program files. Go to this folder, program files, because we have installed in the 64-bit, so it is located inside the program files folder. Then click on JDK, this Java, and JDK 15.0.1, then bin folder. Then you can just click here and copy the entire path just by clicking right, then copy it and paste it here. Variable value you have to paste it here, and variable name you can type anything here like Java 15, and press OK. Once you will click OK, you have to confirm that you have added it. So the Java 15, here is the path, and then press OK to finalize your settings, and then press OK. Now we will go to command prompt again and we'll check the version of Java again. So it is showing now 13, the older version, and it is installed in D drive. Let's go to C drive. Then go to program files folders, go to Java, then cd jdk dash 15.0.1, then Java dash version. So here you can see the build version is 15.0.1. It is showing like that. So now it is okay, and you can now run your programs from here. So let's make our first program with Java. And how you can make it? By just typing few lines. We are making hello world program, and we are going to run this program on this particular path. So how you can type your first program? So let's see. Just type this code on your computer system. Public class main function should contain in every Java file, and then public static void main. This is your mandatory line. In each program you have to write this also, and this system.out.println will print hello world message on your screen. So I will explain each and everything on the later classes, but for now we are creating our first application. So save it on your Java bin folder. Save it as hello world, or you can type it here main.java. Now it's time to compile it. So type it here javac. Remember that you have to type it here javac, and then followed by your program name is main.java. So it is giving you some error, file not found. Actually I am compiling it on JDK15. So let's go to cd bin folder and then type this command again. So successful compilation of any file give you nothing. I mean, if you are seeing this blank space here, it means your file is successfully compiled. Now it is time to run your file by command java and main. Just remove this extension because now it is executable file. It becomes executable file. It is now machine code. So here you can see the message hello world. So that's all for today. In the next class I will explain you how you what are the meaning of these lines. You can, for now you can just go to any website, you can copy this code for hello world and you can type from your book also. But today you have learned how to install Java and how to add to your computer system. And then in the next class I will also tell you how you can run Java programs from anywhere on your computer system. So thanks for now. See you on the next lecture. Thank you very much.